Got a lot of work to do today. Gotta wire up the fan, wire up the water pump. Yesterday I got the fuel cell mounted. I think the battery is going to go right there with the shut off switch. We might end up putting the battery over there, but I'm thinking it might go there. Yeah. Got line lock to hook up, but I'm starting with this. Get our switches all ready. It's gonna be a badass truck when it's done. Okay, so wiring up Moroso Ignition switch panel here. So what we're doing here, from what I understand, okay, these are the lights. We're gonna ground all those. We're gonna take the power to the lights to here with another wire coming out of here to whatever you're running. Power coming in to the switch through the fuse here, and then jumped over to there. And yeah, so we'll have power coming out here when the switch is on, which will turn the light on as well. So I got 3 switches: ignition, then I got to do the starter, but fan and water pump. So getting that all wired up. But if somebody doesn't understand how that works, to wire this up, so you'll have your power coming in, and then it'll jump over to the switch, and then when you flip the switch on, you'll have a wire running to whatever, like this is going to run to my distributor. So okay, now that I got it hooked up here, so your light will come in here, and this, for me, is going to power my distributor. So I'm running this wire to the distributor. My hot lead is coming in here, and it's going to run through the 20 amp fuse over to the bottom of the switch, and then yeah, so turn the switch on, the power will come through, turn the light on, and power the distributor. I haven't seen too many videos up on YouTube on people doing these, so especially this type of switch panel. So I figured I'd share that just in case somebody needed some help with that. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the water pump and the fuse. Power is going to be coming in here, or I mean the water pump and the fan. The power is going to be coming in here. It'll run through. I'm going to jump this down here to the switch, and then I'm going to jump the light wire over to here, and then the power wire going out to the water pump and the fan. So they're going to be the same, and then I'm going to run it straight through with the fuses, and yeah. And I got the ground wires here. I'm only using 3 of the switches, so I'm not going to worry about grounding the other ones until I hook them up later if I use them for something. But I got the ground wires on the lights going in together here, and then I'm going to run a single wire out here and ground it under the dash somewhere, so to a good ground, and that should pretty much cover it.